It seems like you've come across a sensationalized headline or claim. Claims like, "Never eat cucumber with this because it causes cancer and dementia." Cucumbers are a popular and nutritious vegetable that offers several health benefits. Cucumbers are very low in calories, with about 16 calories per cup of sliced cucumber. They provide small amounts of essential nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. The peel contains fiber and antioxidants, so it's beneficial to eat cucumbers with the skin on. Cucumbers are about 95% water, making them an excellent food for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is important for overall health, affecting everything from skin to kidney function. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Cucumbers contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. Adequate potassium intake is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The fiber in cucumbers, particularly in the skin, can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Due to their high water content and low calorie count, cucumbers are a filling snack that can help with weight management. The combination of water and fiber in cucumbers can aid in digestion and prevent constipation. Cucumbers contain soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in the gut, slowing down digestion and promoting feelings of fullness. Cucumber slices are often used on the skin for their cooling and soothing properties. Cucumber extract is also a common ingredient in skincare products due to its hydrating and anti-inflammatory effects. Add cucumber slices to salads for a refreshing crunch. Blend cucumbers into smoothies for added hydration. Enjoy cucumber sticks with hummus or yogurt dip. Add cucumber slices to water for a refreshing drink. Cucumbers are a versatile and healthful addition to any diet. They can be enjoyed in various ways and contribute to hydration, digestion, and overall nutrient intake. As with all foods, eating them as part of a balanced and varied diet is key to reaping the full health benefits. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. It involves consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions to provide the body with the necessary nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Include a wide range of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Aim for different colors and types to ensure a broad intake of nutrients. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. These are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Incorporate a mix of protein sources, including lean meats, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Protein should make up about 10–35% of your daily calorie intake. It's essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall growth. Opt for whole grains, brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, over refined grains. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source. Carbs should make up about 45–65% of your daily calorie intake. Whole grains also provide essential fiber, which aids digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. These provide essential fatty acids and support brain health. Reduce intake of saturated fats, found in red meat, butter, and avoid trans fats, found in many processed foods. Healthy fats should constitute about 20–35% of your daily calorie intake. Include milk, yogurt, cheese, or fortified dairy alternatives like almond milk or soy milk. Dairy provides calcium, protein, and other essential nutrients. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per day to support bone health. Water is vital for every bodily function. It helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. Aim for at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water per day, though individual needs can vary based on activity level, climate, and health status. By providing the right mix of nutrients and controlling calorie intake, a balanced diet helps in maintaining a healthy weight. A balanced diet lowers the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Nutrient-rich foods support brain function and can improve mood and cognitive function. A balanced diet provides steady energy throughout the day, preventing fatigue and improving productivity. Proper nutrition strengthens the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating, even when eating healthy foods. Processed and sugary foods can be high in unhealthy fats, salt, and sugar, which can contribute to health problems. Eat slowly and pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues to prevent overeating. Plan your meals in advance to ensure they are balanced and to avoid unhealthy last-minute food choices. Keep your diet interesting by trying new recipes and incorporating different foods to cover a broad range of nutrients. A balanced diet is foundational to good health. By consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions, you can ensure that your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Along with regular physical activity, a balanced diet is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle.